am ready. I am ready to race.
Go, turtle! Go!
Oh, Gobbler, you are too slow. Say it with me, F-A-S-T. Woof, slow.
Fast spin! Slew spin!
Can you clap F-A-S-T? Now clap S-low. Slow. Let's see who is fast and who is slow in nature. The cheetah is F-A-S-T, zoom. The snail is S-low, creep, creep.
I am a snail.
This airplane is ready to zoom. Let's see how fast it can go using math. Airplanes are very fast. They fly in the sky. No, Gobbler, you are moving slow, but that is okay. To the racetrack. Racetrack. Ready, set, G, O. The red car is F-A-S-T. The tractor is slow.
I like slow.
3, 2, 1.
Some things are fast. Some things are super fast. Let's play a fast game. I will show you a picture. Yell F-A-S-T or S-low. A horse. Fast or slow?
Fast! Fast!
Yes, horses are fast. A turtle. What do you think?
Slew!
Does ice cream melt fast or slow? Slow. Yes, it melts slowly, drip by drip. Let's mix a cake. Cake.
I mix fast.
Too fast, too messy. Remember, rockets are fast. Snails are slow.
Fast and slow, fast and slow. Run, 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 then go slow.
Can you run fast? Show me, T. Show me.
Next time, where is Gobbler? Near or far?
I see something far away. Bye bye. Zoom, zoom.